it's me, Allegra. Dolls, I am so in love with my Avengers palette from Ulta Beauty that I thought I would create another look today. So this is what I made today. And so if you'd like to see a tutorial for this look, and I am also having a giveaway for an Avengers palette for you dolls. So just keep watching to see how to take part in my giveaway and my tutorial for this Avengers look. So first I'm taking a really small flat shader brush, and this shade I've Got This, and I'm just going to place that right under my brows, sort of carving them out, and that's just going to highlight under your brow bone and make just a really beautiful base for your transition shades. And I also put it in the tear duct area. So then I'm taking the shade Supercharged on a short hair fluffy brush, and I'm just going to stamp it kind of right into my lower crease and just letting it also go on my lid. You don't have to be really precise with this. You just want to kind of stamp it all over your crease area so it gets nice and intense. And this is just a brush from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe Eye brush set, but you can use any small fluffy hair brush. And now I'm taking a pointer type of brush, and I'm taking that same shade and smudging it under my lower lashes. And you can, again, let it be messy. You're going to clean it up later. So then I'm taking Amazed on another short hair fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out just the edge of Supercharged. So this is just to make a nice transition and just to get that edge blended for you. So then I'm going to go in with Reassemble on a very slim fluffy brush. And again, I'm doing the same thing. I'm pretty much packing it on and then tapping it on and then bringing it over. So I just tap, tap, tap. Now I'm taking a pencil brush. So you can use a pencil brush for this. This way it comes out nice and intense and concentrated for you, because this shade is a little bit muted. So you can use a small brush and just really pack it on so it'll be more intense for you. So I'm tapping it on, and then kind of dragging it a little bit over. And then I'll go back in with my fluffy brush just to blend just the edge. But I do repeat the steps a few times because sometimes when you're blending, things get washed away. So you want to go in with your previous color, reassemble, and bring it back. But this way you get a nice blend when you do it a few times. So now I'm taking this MAC, it's like a paint pot. I'll link it below. They're so much fun. They have so many different colors. So I purchased this kind of yellow gold shade, and I'm going to use this as a base for my gold colors that I'm going to go in with. So I'm just taking a Wet n Wild brush. This brush is amazing. It's like $1. And then I'm taking Game Changer on the front portion of my eye, and then I'm blending Hero Vibes into the middle part of my eye so we get a nice ombre effect. And then smudging it under my eyes also. And this palette does have a lot of fallout, so that's why I'm doing it my eyes first. So just repeating on the other side. I keep wiping away the fallout. That's why my eyes are kind of like red underneath, but it's all good. So again, this is that MAC pot, and then I just put the colors right over it, the eyeshadows from the Avengers palette right over it, and they just come out so beautiful. I love those little paint pots so much, but they're not regular paint pots. So now I'm taking my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner in a purple shade. You can use any, I guess, purple eyeliner, but this one is just really, they just smudge out perfectly, so I really love these 24/7 Glide On Liners. This is, I believe, the color Perversion. I'm not sure. I'll link it below, though. But this is just going in my waterline, upper and lower waterline, and then I kind of drag it along my lashes, so you get a nice kind of smudged, it's a little bit soft look, I think. But then I also do go over it with some liquid liner, just to hold, just to really make it look a little more polished. So I put on my lashes here. These are my Alegra Chetty Beauty lashes that'll be out soon. And I'm just going over the lash band again with a very, just dragging it along the lash band. I'm not really doing cat eye or anything. So dolls, this is the finished look. I did go in with this ColourPop lipstick. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's called Come On Sis. These ColourPop lips are so flippin' amazing. This was like $6. So I put on my lashes. Of course I did my face. So I am so shook though at how stunning that orange shade is. Oh my god, this shade, Game Changer. Oh my god. And Hero Vibes. Hero Vibes is like the most gorgeous color of life. Seriously, it is so unique and so gorgeous. If you want to mix and match palettes, I would love to use that with like a warm transition in the warm transition shade, like maybe from, you know, my any warm transition shade that you have, maybe a Morphe or Anastasia. With that color on the lid would look so amazing. I just was trying to do, I like to just try to use one palette for you dolls, but with this palette you're probably gonna have some amazing looks if you mix and match with your other palettes. Although you can create an amazing look on its own, I did make that green look with just this palette that I'll link below, and that came out so stunning. And this was the only palette that I used for that green eye look. So I am having a giveaway for the Avengers palette dolls. So I had a previous giveaway for the lip, but now I'm giving away the palette. This palette is sold out. I don't know if you can get it in store. I actually got mine in store because online it is sold out. So if you go in store, you might be able to get one still, but they are pretty much sold out. So I don't know if they're coming back, but I am having a giveaway for one. So to enter to win the Avengers palette for yourself, just be a subscriber to my channel. Let me know below the best way to contact you if you win, and that's pretty much it. I definitely appreciate all your supports and your thumbs up and your comments, and you can also follow me on Instagram for extra entries. But the only #1 requirement is just to be a subscriber. I do have monthly giveaways. I have lots of pop-up giveaways, so I hope you'll subscribe and take part in all the good times here. I love having you dolls here, and I definitely can't wait to see more winners. So I will be picking the winner for this next week, so just let me know if you'd like to take part, subscribe, and let me know the best way to contact you in the comments. But that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing week. Stay positive, stay focused on good things, and that's pretty much it, dolls. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, love you.